Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. And for those of you who are new, hi, my name is Aman, and in this channel you will find me guiding you through each step and how to create some quick and easy, creative, in a budget DIY projects. If you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made
vanity mirror / marble table.
I've actually seen these vanity mirrors quite a lot, so I decided that why don't I end up trying to actually make this at home, and I'm also going to be making a marble table as well. So it's like a whole vanity mirror set. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
For this DIY project, the supplies that you will need are first, of course, a mirror, next a table, some lights, batteries, self-adhesive marble wrap, scissors, and of course a vanity mirror tray, which is optional. First, using some Windex, I'm going to clean the mirror and some Lysol to clean the table. Once they're clean, I'm going to first start off with making the vanity mirror. I'm going to be using these push lights that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the back cover and add in 3 batteries because each light requires 3 batteries to be inserted. Good thing I bought some extra packs of batteries, and then once they're inserted, I'm just going to push it in the middle like this, and that's how it's going to light up. And then just to turn it off, I'm just going to press it again and the light turns off. So these lights actually come with these peel-in stickers, so I'm just going to peel this off, and then I'm just going to place it onto the mirror like this. And this is how it's going to look like. 1 down and more to go. So far it's looking really good, and once the lights are all placed onto the mirror, this is how it will look like. And then if you just want to turn off the light, simply just push the light and the light will turn off. Push it back again and it will turn on again. It's honestly coming together and I am loving it. And so once the mirror is complete, now we're going to move on to making the marble table using the self-adhesive marble wrap. Starting from the top of the table, I'm going to first measure how much paper I will need. Now, if you see the back side, it has instructions to show how to place it, and also it comes with these measuring / grid paper. These are actually extremely helpful so that you can easily cut the page in a straight line and know exactly how much paper you need. Once I've found the correct length, I'm pretty much just gonna mark it down using a marker, and then once that's marked, now following the mark and the line that it's on, I'm going to cut out the paper, and once that's done, I'm going to peel it off from the corner and gently stick it onto the table like this. And using the same steps, I'm going to continue to cover up the rest of the table. And once the inside part of the table is complete, it is finally time to reveal the finished look. So you guys know this is how it looked like before, and now this is how it looks like now. Wow, this literally came out so beautiful. I am actually in love with this beautiful vanity mirror set. I mean, the marble table came out absolutely amazing, and then the marble table just complements the vanity mirror so well. I have to say, I have to give this a 10 out of 10. Comment down below, let me know what do you guys think about the vanity mirror. Do you guys like it or love it? I think this came out amazing. So far, I think from all the other DIY projects that I've made, this has to be probably one of my favorite ones.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. And also you'll get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. For all my video updates, you can find me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Matharu. Also, you can follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is _Matharu as well. Links are down in the description below and just down here for you guys as well. I also have a vlog channel. So for those of you who also want to check out my vlog channel, I'm going to leave it down in the description below. And here is the name of my vlog channel. Be sure to check the channel out, you guys.
Also, I have a quick announcement to make. I have been working on this for quite some time, and I have created a project called Confidence Through Creativity. The project stands upon helping kids and young adults build their self-confidence through the help of art. Many people underestimate the power of art, and it's a way of self-expression. Art has the power to allow individuals like you and me to help express our thoughts, feelings, and emotions. What inspired me to create this project and name it Confidence Through Creativity was mainly because it focuses on helping people who struggle with low self-confidence. I myself have struggled with this during middle school. I have a YouTube video that explains my story on how art was the light in my life. It helped me become the person that I am today. I wasn't always this confident. As a kid, I was very shy, reserved, and had no self-confidence in myself. And now, you see me making YouTube videos on what I am passionate towards. Art came as a miracle in my life and made me this confident that I am able to share my story and give people the solution on how to build their confidence. I have created this Facebook page to better connect with each and every one of you. On this page, I will be posting DIY videos from my YouTube channel and other 5-minute DIY videos that I will be also posting on this Facebook page. Knowledgeable posts, and being able to interact with every one of you by going live on Facebook. And also having weekly art challenges, and so much more to offer. And did I mention that this is absolutely free to join? And I have also created a Facebook group where once you're in the group, you can post videos of yourself attempting to do art challenges, engage with others, and post photos of artworks you've made. The intention for this group is to be all about being creative and helping you and others build self-confidence. And this is also absolutely free to join. My goal here is to build a community who I can help inspire many people like you to unleash your creativity through these videos. Join the world of art and unleash your creative side by just clicking the join button. And today's video shout out goes to Sana. Shout out to you.
In order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. I will see you guys very soon. And also, I'm going to be actually posting a new vlog on my vlog channel, so I'm going to keep you guys updated on when I post it just on my Instagram. I know it's been a while since I've posted a new video on this channel, so I'll try my best to make sure that I get consistent with posting my videos weekly for you guys. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!